How to delete search suggestions on Instagram. Hello guys, first thing you want to do is open your Instagram, go to your profile, go to the top corner, click on those three lines, click on your activity, and then click on recent searches, click on clear all, click on clear, and now go back, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is scroll until you find Instagram, click on it, click on force stop, and then click on the storage or the internal storage, click on clear data, clear cache, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial until the very end.